Hey guys, and welcome back. So right here we have a set of little headsets for your children. These are the wired one. These go up to 93 decibels, so these are volume limited. These are wired foldable headsets for your studies. Alright, so right here we have these headphones. They do offer in 6 different colors. You've got the green, you got the black and orange, black purple, blue green, indigo, and you have a multicolor, so you can do every single color if you'd like. So let's dab into the box. These are the black and orange ones. See, these are the children's headphones. They're the HD microphone and stereo sound, phone calls and school studies. They have an HD microphone, volume limiter of 93 decibels. Comes with an audio cable suitable for kids and teens. They have a soft headset. You can see that they're really nice and soft. These are great for hearing impaired. They've got a safe sound, protect your children's ears. Here is the microphone, as well as a button to skip to the next song. If you're listening to music, you have a 3.5mm jack to put it into your devices. You can see the headrest is very super soft. The volume limiter of 93 decibel allows you to listen clearly while the class is during in the school activities. In addition, the thickened ear cushions can be blocked out outside noises. It's foldable, lightweight. The headphones are foldable, which makes it very simple to store and take them on the go. They are durable, so that means they are flexible. So it's tough enough and durable it could be twisted and made to last, protecting itself from being destructed. Adjustable headband. The lightweight kids headphones microphone can be flexibly extended to allow for a perfect fit and long-lasting comfort for your little hand, no matter what size the hand is. It has a multifunction button and an HD microphone. This is a safety nylon braided cord. The braided cord which can prevent tangling and endure that it does not ruin. So these are what the headphones look like. These are really nice headphones, and we're going to go ahead and dive into the box.
Right here is we have the headphones, as you guys can see. These are what they look like. These are headphones, as you guys can see. There's something that plugs into your phone, as you guys can see. 3.5mm plug that basically plugs into your any old iPhone you have, any old iPhone, iPod.
Go.
So this plugs into your iPod. If you have any old iPhone laying around and you want to use it as an iPod, like an iPhone 5 or 4 or something like that, you can always, use something like that. So we have an extension cord or whatever this is. You can get this anywhere.
You have an extension adapter, so if your phone does not take the 3.5mm cable.
So if you don't have any old iPhone or iPod, you can get one of these somewhere on Amazon. I'll link that link in the description below. So you just plug it inside and then you grab the phone, you basically plug it in. So it's like you listen to it on your phone. I have my Android phone I use it every day. But I'm just going to plug it in. As you guys can see, I'm just going to plug it in and it's just going to work. So as you guys can see, this is my phone. Don't mind the horrible background and how the layout is, but yeah, so we're just gonna try to lay it out. So I'm just gonna put it here. So I have the headphones on. I'm gonna use SoundCloud. We're just gonna try, is it even plugged in? Oh, wait, no. It's not plugged in, I don't think it is. I don't know if they have this kind of stuff on this app. Oh yes they do. Oh yes they do. Oh my god, these are bass. Whoa. Now let's try more of like a bassy song. Why not? What's one of the most bassy song? Bass song. Wait, right? Okay, YouTube would have that stuff. Bass. Yeah, bass boosted songs right there. Yeah, right here, let's use this. Whoa! These are bass boosted ones. Whoa. Okay, I gotta mention before I end the video, somebody in the comments said, "Poof, you just bought new headphones and you want to test the song out." That's just so funny. So, that's our tested of using my little thingy. See, look, that's a test of using these headphones and using this little thing. If you guys want to get these two stuff, I would link them in the link in the description below. So I hope you guys have a nice day and move on to your day. I hope this video brightens up your day. So bye.